We in a Subi, y'all, the new Subi. Oh my God. Yo, that ain't popping. Shit. Oh, yo, the boost. Oh, shit. Hey, that ain't move, bro.
I get that bitch hot.
Hey, I heard that shit. Nah, this bitch nasty. Nah, that shit sound good as fuck.
That
shit sound.
That shit do sound good.
You good this way, shit. That bitch sounds so good.
Yeah, that motherfucking movie.
Oh shit. Hey yo, this little motherfucker pull. Hey yo, nah. Nah, this shit moving. Oh! I'm glad I was recording that, yo. That shit sounds so good.
That shit
Hey,
do sound good.
yo.
Motherfucker.
Alright, y'all, we just got rid of the works for these Cosmos here. He drove a whole 3 hours. He came and got the works, but we got some Cosmoses right here, brand new. Bro, the GS looks so much better with these shits. It looks so much better. I might have to cop them off you, bro. I'm telling you, bro, the carbon and everything.
I'm gonna give me a carbon head.
That shit hard.
Oh God,
That shit hard. Them fucking tandems too, bro. I want some of them for my Accord.
Got me some tandems.
I
should have got me some tandems.
You really should have. Send them back. But yeah, guys, he came a whole 4 hours from South Carolina to bring us these Cosmoses right here for the works. So yeah, the car is clean, bro. This car is stupid clean. But yeah, he got the works in there. He got some wheels on his Subi too. I might have to cop. Alright, y'all, so anyways, we're just putting this last Cosmos on. Guy literally came and traded me brand new wheels. Never been rode on or anything, bro. Brand spanking new wheels. And cash. We just had these on here to hold the car on. Wow, I swapped out the wheels. These aren't staying, trust me. Might buy them though. Just gotta get my key. Let me get the Alright, so today, just back on GS. We gotta go get a new jack, bro. This jack's had its fair share, but our front wheel's off the ground. We got them brand new Cosmoses, y'all. They actually fit pretty good. They rub some. Back up under there, you can kind of see, but we pop this off. I can show y'all. We gotta put some washers on my caliper bracket because it's rubbing the wheel. So I don't like to run spacers, and I'm not gonna put a washer over my studs because I'm just not that type of dangerous person anymore. Let me set you guys up while I do this. Alright, y'all, here we are. Got the wheels off. Showing you guys. We got a 255/40. So, still on the comfier side, I'd say. But as you guys can see, it's hitting my wheel a little bit. As you can see, it's like it's barely hitting it, but it's hitting it just enough to be annoying. So, look like it's hitting it more on this one than any of the other ones. So, I'll probably do to combat that is honestly, I don't think I torqued the wheel on correctly, but these are literally brand new, man. 18 by 11 Cosmos, they're literally brand new. But yeah, GX looking nice. But for the time being, what we're gonna do, until I can shave down a little bit of my caliper, about that much of my caliper, what we're gonna do, slap another spacer on here, and I mean, honestly, we should be fine. But I'm gonna do smaller ones, or pretty much the same size ones if I can. These are crush washers. They should do the same job. Alright guys, so 2 of them is kind of a no-go, because you can see there's really not enough thread for the lug to grab onto. And I've done that once before, and the wheel flew off, and I'm not going to do it again. So it has self-clearance itself pretty much. Me and the boys went for a very spirited cruise last night. And yeah, so I think I should be fine with just the washers on there. Like I said, if anything, it'll self-clearance. Not that big of an issue. Not like it's literally that. Literally, that's all I'm having to deal with. It's literally scraping off the powder coat, so it's not a big problem, like at all. So I don't want to ruin a brand new set of wheels, but it's not really bad. So we should try one of these on the cord. While I got it off, I should try it on the cord. Actually, that's what we're gonna do. Let me get this Lexus stock and toss on here real quick. This is just to hold this here until we try the wheel on the other car. So, slight little impact. Should actually carry that instead of my G spare. That fits right on. Alright guys, let me take this over here to the cord and I'll come back and grab it. Sorry to disappoint y'all, but the jack, literally, bro, this car's so high the jack wouldn't lift it up high enough to get the wheel off. But put the wheel right here for reference and see it on the cord. Because if I get rid of the GS, I'm keeping the wheels, honestly. Yeah, it wouldn't look bad on the cord, to be honest. But yeah. Speaking of, do I got some more washers like this? These are the washers I need.
Still rub?
Yeah, gotta cut some more. Trying to see where to